That's a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I charged the battery up about a month ago because I had it out there in that big building, and then I was playing with it here, so I just left it back here.
Okay. Okay.
You want to start it up?
Sure. I'd like to hear it run. I'd like. Let me look at the oil before we start it up.
Good to go?
Yeah, it's half. It's right in the operating range.
Hondas are a good engine.
Oh, this has the Honda, not
it's a Honda.
not the Kohler engine.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the original Hondas in these. That's the original engine.
Okay. What year is this?
You know, I think it's about a 98. I'm not.
Okay, and that's.
See, this is 99s or 89, and there's another one on it that says 98.
And I noticed that older ones didn't have an hour meter.
Yeah, this says 95. So I think it's a 98. I think is what it is.
And probably by the serial number.
Yeah, you know, they've made these for
I think
30 years probably.
78
yeah, a long
was their
time.
First year.
Well,
oh, since 65.
A heavy little machine. Well, I was just out here and started it.
That's all right.
Did I leave the lights on or something? I didn't even know if they work. Do they work?
It may be connected with the ignition switch. But that's all right. That's all right. Take care.
I was just out here an hour ago.
That's all right.
No. Hell no. I was just out here and started it. Oh no, that's really loose. That could be it.
It is.
This is your throttle.
Okay.
Have you ever run a backhoe before?
I'd run a 9. What do we have? 960, whatever the chicken factory had.
You're probably about like me, kinda, not real good.
I can do it.
Yeah. It takes me a while.
I'm not one of those guys that can put them back up in the dump truck, you know.
It's just the controls, you know. You're always wanting to second guess yourself.
Right.
I had a Cat 420. It was a joystick. I like that.
This one is not power steering, right? Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, that's another nice thing about it.
One of them I read that only the newer ones had the power steering. Okay. What do the hydraulics use in this for the?
It's all the same transmission oil.
And it's all
the hydraulics is all the same fluid.
Okay. And what fluid is that? What have you?
I forget kind of what the name of it is. I've never done it in this one. That T9 I had to put it in.
Okay.
That's why I know it's all the same fluid.
Okay.
This here, you better watch your. These are your outriggers.
Okay.
This one here runs
the boom.
These. I got those. You keep the chains on them because they will bleed down.
Bleed down, right. Okay.
This, you know, is your hydro.
It's your forward and reverse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which the hydros are alright. They can get kind of dangerous.
Right. Okay.
You want to see anything else?
No, you can turn it off. That's good.
So the two things, you know, would be that.
Ignition switch.
Yeah, and then this, I would take this out and get this seal put in there.
Yeah.
You know, get
Okay.
another seal in there, because it will leak.
Okay.
But other than that, you know, there's nothing that
Okay.
doesn't work on it.
Okay. How long have you had it?
Probably about 18 months.
Oh,
17, maybe 18.
just short of a couple of years, huh?
Yeah.
It's like
don't
I
know,
need to.
I don't really want to get. I got rid of my John Deere. He probably told you, so I don't really.
Yeah.
I was going to take it on. Yeah, and I should, but you know, you had looked at it and wanted it, so.